Today we are going to make Nigeria fried rice. How to cook Nigeria fried rice with Pretty Olayemi cooking China. How to cook Nigeria fried rice without using chicken stock, any stock at all. This is a very simple and easy step. Just come along with Pretty Olayemi and learn how to cook fried rice. Today we are going to make Nigeria fried rice. How to make Nigeria fried rice. If you are new to Pretty Olayemi cooking channel, I beg make una subscribe. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Go straight to our ingredients. This is diced carrots, diced onions, and diced red pepper, and likewise diced orange pepper. Nice big. And we are going to use sweet corn, then sweet bean, then what's the color? Cooking oil, then curry powder and thyme, salt, and some seasoning. Let's go straight to our pot. Let's start cooking our Nigeria fried rice. Let's start cooking our jollof rice. We start by putting cooking oil, just little amount of cooking oil. You allow this to heat a little bit before we start putting our diced onions. You see how this thing will look. So we'll put. Okay, let's start cooking our Nigeria fried rice. So I'm going to add my diced onions. Let's add our rice to the pot. You can see the picture of the measuring cup. I use measuring the rice. As well, use any measuring cup that you normally use at home. Everything will still come out perfectly. Keep on stirring the rice until it's properly fried. Salt, seasoning, this actually smells good. Let's keep on stirring this thing so it will not get burned. Nigeria fried rice is a very common fried rice. Even some people normally prepare fried rice in parties. That's why some people call it party fried rice. I'm going to add some thyme leaf just to give it some nice aroma. Then I'm going to add curry powder to give it the green color. The reason this thing normally come out greenish is because of the curry powder, and it will give it a nice aroma. This is ready. We are going to add some water into this rice so it will get cooked for about 30 minutes. I'll stir everything so everything will not stick to the pot. Let's cover this and wait for it to cook for 30 minutes. Now this is ready. Let's check how it looks. Wow, it smells good. Oh my god, it really smells good. Let's check the texture, if it's properly cooked and it looks properly and perfectly cooked. Perfect cook. That's preparing our vegetables. I'm going to add a little amount of cooking oil into the pot. Then I'll start adding my diced onions. I keep on stirring this just a few minutes. Then I'm going to add my diced carrot. Then I'll start stirring again, just to, oh my god, this smell look great. You know, most of us that like going to parties like Mimi or any party you are being invited to, we like eating Nigerian food. If it's a Nigerian party, maybe like fried rice, jollof rice, or even some vegetables and pando yam. You know that a foreign roll now that has some former and I think I will do that recipe next time. Don't let me just explain it now. So let's continue. I'm going to add some diced orange bell pepper. Then I'll start stirring it so everything will mix together. Keep on stirring this for just about a minute so it gets just a little bit crunchy and have to cook. Now let's start adding our sweet bean into the other vegetables. We keep on stirring it for another few minutes. Wow, this smell is making me hungry. If you're hungry, please comment down below. Nigerian fried rice is already making me hungry, right? And it looks delicious. You guys can also comment down below if you find it interesting. Add some pinch of salt. I already have some seasoning. I'm going to add curry powder just to give it another unique smell. You know, this is optional. You can decide not to add curry powder into your vegetable. It's fine, but I like adding curry powder even sometimes. Time leaf. Now I'm going to add our carrot into it just to give it another. You know what I mean. For those of you that have tried Nigerian fried rice, you know what I mean, right? Remember to check how to cook Nigerian jollof rice. This is ready, so I'll start mixing my veggie with my rice. Look at this, it looks beautiful. We are almost there. We are going to eat this any moment from now. Delicious. To mix all the vegetable with the rice so everything will mix proper. Oh my god, look at this smell. Oh my, this is making my mouth watery. Everything is properly mixed. Our Nigerian fried rice is ready. This is the best fried rice you ever tried. We can cook Nigerian fried rice without chicken stock or without any stock. Thank you for watching my video. Consider subscribing. Remember to like this video if you really enjoy it. Comment down below and tell me after you try this recipe. Remember to check the description below for other videos. I'll see you all in my next video.